So hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Emily and today, as you can tell, I just showered and I am starting to get myself ready for the weekend because I'm actually going to Long Beach Island this weekend with a big group of my friends and I'm super excited. So I thought I would film a little pack with me video just so you guys can see kind of what I'm bringing and some outfits that I'm planning and how to pack for weekend trips. So please excuse my showered self and yeah, so let's just get started with the video. So the first thing that I think I'm going to start with is my bathing suits because we're going to the beach. I'm not sure how many times we're going yet, but I pack everything in this duffel bag that I have. I'll show you. So whenever I go on weekend trips, I always bring a duffel bag about this size. Here she is. Very, very large duffel bag. I got it from DSW a while ago. So I got it from DSW a little while ago because if you got a pair of shoes, you got a bag with it, which is super exciting. And so the first bathing suit I'm gonna pack is this gem. It's one of my favorite bathing suits ever. It's this top from Aerie and it comes with this high-waisted bottom. Super cute, super flattering on. That's going right in the duffel. I think I'm gonna bring 2 bathing suits with me just in case. So now for my second bathing suit, I'm gonna be packing this. It's kind of like, it kind of goes up on your waist, it kind of goes up on your hips and it's super flattering, and then it just comes with this triangle top. Super flattering. I have realized that a triangle top is best with my body shape, but it has regular straps with it. So big fan of that. So it's going right in. And so when it comes to me planning my outfits for the weekend, I normally try to only bring like 1 to 2 pairs of shorts and then one dress and like 2 tops, just 2 fancier tops and then a t-shirt for the beach. So yeah, let's get starting to picking out my outfits. Yes, I know I'm in comfy clothes, sorry. So I thought I'd give you guys a nice overview of my closet. As you can tell, I only wear neutral colors. Surprise, surprise. So I'm going to probably bring a matching set with me. Super cute. Where's the top? There she is. And now for a dress. And now I'm going to bring the dress too. Nice, comfy, beachy. It has buttons all down the side, so it's super cute. So honestly, I do know how difficult it is to decide what to bring with you, but it always is good to know what you're planning on doing while you're there, even though sometimes you're not really 100% sure about what the plans are. You should always kind of bring a good mix of things, just because if you're not sure, then you'll always have backups and everything. So I'm kind of in a stump right now on what to bring with me, but I will definitely decide something. So now I'm probably also going to pack a pair of jeans to bring. So pants are my favorite piece of clothing that I own. I have a lot of pants, so this is going to be kind of difficult for me. I think I'm going to bring these just because they're a light wash and they're my easiest thing to put together. So what I also typically do when I am trying to pack for a trip is really lay out my outfits and see visually what I have and what I can bring with me. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Yeah. Okay, so I just realized that I did some laundry yesterday, and I'm going to show you guys a new piece that I just picked up, and then just some of my basic go-to outfits for when it's coming to the beach, or whether I have to be just super comfy and something easy for me to throw on. So let's get to styling my outfits. So I decided to take this pair of denim shorts. These are my favorite shorts actually that I've bought recently. They're from Cotton On, and I believe I featured them in a video. If not, they're definitely on my Instagram. Follow my Instagram. It is at Emily Pearl Miller. And then this is my new top. Look how cute the detailing is on it with the flowers. I got it from a beachy store actually. They only have like a few locations, but it's called Island Gypsy. If you guys are from New Jersey, you definitely know about it. Okay, so another big tip I want to give you guys is to always make sure you roll your clothes when you're packing. A, it prevents wrinkles, and B, it will really help you to fit more in your suitcase or your duffel bag in my case. So yeah, that's just like a big thing that I've learned from taking weekend trips around. So let's keep packing. So this is a super comfy and casual outfit that I'm going to bring with me. It is perfect for beach weather, and I'm going to probably tie the top up with the jeans, and then for a little nighttime comfy look, I will probably be throwing in a pair of leggings. So yeah, these are just my long Lululemon leggings, and they're so comfy, and this is perfect for just being able to hang out with your friends and just being able to kind of have more of a casual vibe going on. So now I'm showing you guys another little outfit that I'm going to pack in my duffel for the weekend. It is just this navy blue tank top. It's super flattering. It's from Windsor, and then these shorts are one of my favorite pairs of shorts I've ever gotten. I thrifted them from Urban Exchange in Philadelphia, and yeah, I love them. I love them. I love them. So here is the dress I showed you guys before, but I thought I'd lay it out for you guys. It is a mid-length dress, and I thrifted this as well. It's originally from LL Bean, so as you guys can tell, I really love their old vintage pieces, and they definitely don't sell anything like this anymore, but I'm a huge fan. So now next, this is my matching two-piece set that I'm going to be packing. It is from Zara, and I got it last year, and I'm a huge fan of it. It's so pretty, and it kind of looks like a romper when you're wearing it. And yeah, super big fan of it. It's super easy and nice and flowy to wear in really hot weather like I'm going to be experiencing this weekend. So I'm super excited to be able to wear this, and yeah. So I thought I'd show you guys some progress. This is what we've got going on so far. So now I'm probably going to just pack my toiletries and my underwear and bras, and yeah, I might pack a sweater of, always remember to pack a sweater of, oh wow, always remember to pack a pair of sweatpants and a sweatshirt or a crew neck just in case it gets chilly, because that tends to happen at night on the beach or in beach towns or in the summer in general. So yeah, I'm probably just gonna throw a bunch of my stuff in a Ziploc. Oh, I also have to pack my makeup, deodorant, perfume, and lotions. Yeah. I hope some of you found this interesting. I hope some of you are still watching at this point, but I'll also show you guys what purses I'm planning on bringing with me. Let's just keep going. Now I'm going to show you guys what bag I'm gonna bring with me, because we're mainly just going to the beach and stuff, so I am gonna be bringing a reusable like beach bag. I don't have it in here, but it's just like a big silver bag. It's nothing that exciting. And then I'm also gonna be bringing this bag, which is one of my current favorites. It is just this really cute bamboo handle bag. I thrifted it actually. It was $5. Can we just take a moment? Bags like this from like really nice stores are retailing currently for like over $200. So I'm super in love with it, and I've been bringing it everywhere with me. It's just my go-to right now. So definitely packing her. And then I'm also be packing this white backpack that I got from Target. I've used it so much stuff fits in here, and it's just kind of my go-to for just like running out of the house. And yeah, it's super cute, it's super little, but it fits a lot, so bringing this too. So I honestly think that that's going to be the end of the video. I finished packing everything. Here is the finished results. I am super happy I got to do it with you guys, because it kind of let me really immerse and like really figure out what I want to bring with me, and hopefully I gave you guys some helpful tips. Just overall make sure that you make a list, because I definitely did and it helped me a lot. So be sure to always make a list. Be sure to always pack sunscreen if you're going to the beach, because people forget that all the time. And also be sure to bring cameras, because you're with your friends or your family, and or even if you're by yourself and you just want to take pictures of the beach, it's a beautiful place to be. And yeah, so I'm really happy that I made this. It was one of my first pack with me videos, so I hope you guys enjoyed it. And let me know down below, or give me a thumbs up if I should make more of these if I go on more weekend trips. I have some planned, but not 100% sure yet. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And I will talk to you guys next week. Love you. Mwah.